this exponential growth is a byproduct of how you are immersed into the art itself, because the art is like a ritual. It is a ritual. It's a ceremony, but it's an artistic ceremony. It's an artistic ceremony. You know, it's an artistic ritual. You know, and this is equivalent. We could parallel this phenomenon with you know, it's prevalent amongst novelists where they tend to realize that the protagonist in their movie will materialize before their very eyes. So here you have a human being who is supposedly already established tension. That is the distinction between amplitude and frequency when it comes to the physics of sound.